Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Monday, the 20th of April. It's Patriots Day. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. It's a chilly day out there. Temperatures are in the 30s and low 40s this morning. Runners will have to contend with some cold weather here, especially waiting for the race to start. I think, they're just sort of standing around there. That's the cold stuff. Then this afternoon, upper 40s to low 50s, still rather chilly. Definitely the rain has helped. I'm looking out now and can see all the green grass. I've got to edge the garden. That's the next agenda item here to just make things look a little bit better. Temperatures this afternoon in the low 50s. There could be a little sprinkle. It's not going to surprise me, honestly, if there's some sleet pellets mixed in. It's cold above us. Anything comes to an end tonight, most of us are not going to see a darn thing. Temperature in the low 30s for most areas, but there could be some 29 or 30 or 31 degree readings. So if you have any tender vegetation, get it inside. Tomorrow, mostly sunny and cold again, only near 50. Let's bump ahead to Wednesday. Warmer air starts to move in. Winds flip to the south. Temperatures in the low 50s with a lot of clouds. And then Thursday and Friday, we're in the low 60s. So it feels a little bit better, partly to mostly sunny skies. We'll talk about the weekend tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody.